Assalamu alaikum. Here are 6 ways of making money with OpenClaw, this viral AI assistant that everyone is talking about. I'm here with Ziad, who's a member of our program. He's our student who got the fastest success in just 1 month. He was able to go from zero to starting his agency. He landed a 2K, $2,000 a month client. He grew his agency, and now he's working with 12 people that he has hired, and he's full time on his agency. Allahumma barak.
So basically, OpenClaw, as you know, is an AI agent that has root access to your machine. It can do a bunch of stuff like checking your email, viewing your inboxes, doing web scraping, helping you with manual tasks. You can access it from anywhere, like WhatsApp, Telegram. It has a persistent memory. It has browser control, full system access, and you can actually plug it into skills and plugins so that you can do extra stuff with it. Like, for example, using Nano Banana to generate images for any use case, maybe connecting it to your Google API so that it manages the calendar for you.
This is literally like a human assistant, right? Like if I were to hire a virtual assistant for myself to automate like or delegate a bunch of tasks, and I tell him, look, check my emails, reply to those people, attend some meetings and take notes from them, etc. This can
Exactly.
do all of this.
Exactly. And you can even connect it to 11 Labs and it can talk and speak to you like just like Jarvis, the personal assistant. And it can use any kind of model that you can imagine, like Anthropic, OpenAI, Google Gemini, DeepSeek, and Hugging Face API AI model. You can connect it to tools and automations. You can connect it to your social network. You can do a lot of amazing stuff with it.
Would you say the setup is something that takes a long time?
It can take 15 minutes to set it up. It's a little bit tricky to set it up, but it's doable. It's pretty doable.
Sounds good. Can you walk us through like how it works in practice? How would you use something like this?
So basically, you just connect it to a chat app. When you are onboarding with the OpenClaw, it's going to guide you through the steps required to connect it to a chat app and an AI model. And you can basically connect it to any kind of chat app like WhatsApp or Telegram, and you can chat with it. And you can for example tell it to check my email inbox and reply to anyone that I'm busy, for example, so that they know. And you basically connect it to an AI model. You choose the AI model you want, and of course, the best AI model that works with it is the Anthropic Opus. All you need is that you tell it the instructions you need it to do. Like, for example, you did create a YouTube dashboard for me that tracks my channel. It's going to give you insights about your channel and it can manage your emails, calendars, and reminders. It can run code and execute shell commands, and it can browse the web. You can write and edit files on your machine. It automate workflows across services. It's proactive. It reaches to you out with updates, and yeah, it's pretty amazing. You
Yeah,
can
so
do
basically any type of task that you can do on your computer, you can technically do it as well,
exactly.
right? So if you wanted to, for example, create a social media post, right? Can it literally go and create an account on Instagram for you, find an idea of a post, write the post, create images for it, and then post it on the account and just manage it, like manage the account itself, like as I would do if I would hire someone to manage the account.
Yeah, of course, it can do that indeed. But you have to to be cautious not to share any personal data, and you need to be able to tell it. For example, don't give it a personal email, or it might mess up using Telegram, and while using Instagram. Sorry, and it can basically do anything for you. It can reach out. For example, if you're starting an Instagram page for your business, it can reach out to potential influencers, potential prospects, and it can do a lot of magic for you.
How do you think we can monetize this?
Of course, there are a lot of ways to monetize this. You can basically build workflows using N8N and OpenClaw for businesses. You can charge from $200 to $5,000 to automate their repetitive tasks. You can do it. You can use it for content and SEO. You can connect it, for example, if you have a Shopify store and you need to start a blog for your Shopify store. It can do a lot of content and SEO for you, and lots of blogs in order to improve the SEO. And it can do web scraping services. It can extract business insights from websites and come back to you with a report. And you can build and sell skills for OpenClaw. You can teach it.
So you can learn it, get good at it, and then teach people how to do it. There's something as well that you can sell, right? And
Exactly.
then you could also sell how to implement like a done for you service where you just implement it. This is something we were talking together. We saw like this website, which is basically a copy of the OpenClaw website. But what they added is if you scroll down at the very bottom, you see what they have? They have like a pricing page. So they say like, oh, you can use it for free if you do it yourself. Or if you want us to do it for you, we have like those two pricing plans, right? Where they say like they basically set it up for you on a private like virtual server. So you can
Yeah.
sell things like this. And this is just someone who saw the opportunity. They just cloned the website and decided to sell the service.
Yeah, and they are basically playing on SEO. They are trying. They used literally the same website, and they use Google search engine optimization techniques in order to rank up on Google. And people, if people were searching for Claude, they're going to see their website, and they are going to be interested. That's why they literally cloned the same web page, because they want to hook people into using this service and using CloudBot, and then we can do it for you. Then they mentioned that they could set it up for you. So it's pretty
Because
good
a lot of
marketing.
people are non-technical. They don't want to, even if it's just one command line to set it up, they don't want to deal with it, right? They want
Yeah,
to have something secure, someone else to do it for them, and they're ready to spend a few $100s on that. And then you
exactly.
lend them as a client, and you can upsell them more things.
Exactly. And yeah, of course, you can build micro SaaS products using OpenClaw. So, for example, it obviously has root access to your machine. It can create products for you. It can create micro SaaS products for you. You can create like a dashboard where you can control its tasks. Of course, there are a lot of security risks that you must know, and of course, there
If
is
you set it up on an outside server, though, is it still safe? Like if you, let's say you don't set it up on your own computer because you don't want it to access all the files of your computer, but you set it
yeah.
up on like, let's say you purchase like a $5 a month like AWS server and
Well,
you
it's
run it there, is that safe?
yeah, of course, that's much safer, but but obviously it might crash your server. For example, if it did something insecure and someone executes commands on your servers, that might be like dangerous for your VPS, and you might not be able to use it again. But yeah, you have to be careful in both cases, but it's much safer to use it on a VPS machine.
Mm, got
And
it.
of
Yeah.
course, we have the API and credential leaks. Just make sure to never make it have access to your environment variables. Like if you have a coding project or something, you have to be careful because it will have access to your credentials, like OpenAI key or something. You have to be careful about that because it might leak it, because AI sometimes hallucinates and leaks credentials. And there is also the malicious skills and supply chain. So beware about the skills you give it to your OpenClaw, because like some skills might ask OpenClaw to give personal information about you, and it's in the prompt of the skill.md. So you have to be careful about that, and it might even have it has full system access, because that's something
Yeah, that's the
critical.
most dangerous part, right?
It's
You
the
can
most
access
dangerous
all the
part.
files. So,
Exactly.
so if you basically to stay safe, I guess you would have to put it on some private server and just make sure you don't have any private files there or personal files, and you only
Exactly.
give access to tools in a limited way, like the tools that it can access.
Exactly. So first things first, in order to stay safe, you have to run it on a separate environment outside your machine, and you have to actually never expose your ports or your link of your OpenClaw gateway to the internet, because that's pretty dangerous.
Like other people could access it basically in that case.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
if you expose the yeah.
Never expose it. Stay
Mm.
updated, because like some CVEs might be discovered, some new vulnerabilities might be discovered on OpenClaw. So you have to be careful, and you have to audit third-party skills. You have to make sure that you read the skill.md before installing it on OpenClaw, and you have to use sandbox mode in order to say and enable safe sandboxing and safety prompts. Do not disable security features, never, never. And rotate API keys regularly. You have to delete your API keys regularly and use new ones, so that if it got leaked or something, you are on the safe side. Okay, so here's your action plan. So if I were to start using CloudBot or OpenClaw, you have to install it on a VPS, and then you connect it to your chat app, and then you can configure the AI model, whether Anthropic, OpenAI. You have to install skills so that it's able to interact with your calendar, reminders, and you have to secure your instance by enabling sandbox mode, never exposing it to the internet, and run it in Docker if possible. And you can then start making money with it by offering services.
Mm. Awesome. And
So
you said
yeah,
in around 15 minutes all of this can be set up.
yeah, exactly. In 15 minutes, we can set this up, and we can start offering services to sell to other people.
Awesome. Sounds good. Barakallah fik, Ziad. Thank you for
Thank
sharing this. Use
Thank you,
it
brother.
wisely, everyone. Make sure the security is done. Set it up on a private server, and then start using it to monetize. Use one of the 6 ways, and let us know in the comments how you do. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.